If the Netflix app is not working on your Windows computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. Now, the very first thing we need to do is head over to the Microsoft Store, and you can do this by coming over to the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store and clicking the Microsoft Store tab. Then head over to Library from the left hand side here, and then we can go ahead and press this Get Updates button, and this is going to check all of our apps just to ensure that nothing's outdated. And if there is an update available for Netflix, then just make sure to update this now, and you can then close out of this Microsoft Store, and we're going to head over to our Start menu and search for Settings, and then come over to the Settings tab. From here we need to come down to Apps in the left hand side, inside of Installed Apps, and we can use this search box at the top here to search for Netflix. And once you've found the Netflix app, we need to hit these three little dots on the right hand side here, come over to Advanced Options, and then we're going to scroll down, and the first thing we need to press is this Terminate button. And once you've pressed this button, we can come down to the Reset options, and we're first going to try repairing the app by clicking this Repair button. That should only take a couple of seconds to complete, and the very last thing we're going to do is hit this Reset button, and we can go ahead and confirm by pressing Reset. We can then come out of the Settings window, and we're going to come back over to our Start menu and search for Run, and then come over to the Run icon. Inside of this search box, you need to type in %temp %, and hit enter. And then we're going to go ahead and delete all of the contents inside of this folder by pressing Ctrl A on our keyboard to select everything. And then we're just going to right click on our mouse and press the trash icon. And if you get this message pop up, just select Do this for all current items and press continue. Now, you might not be able to delete everything inside of here because some of them still might be running on your background, but that's absolutely fine. As long as we delete the majority of these, we can close out of this window. And the next thing you need to do is come back over to your Start menu and search for Settings, and come over to the Settings tab. From the left, come into Network and Internet inside of VPN, and if you are currently connected to a VPN, I'd recommend disconnecting to this now by pressing this disconnect button. So once you've ensured you're not connected to your VPN, we can close out of the settings, and then head back over to the Start menu and search for Run. Come over to Run, and this time we're going to type in wsreset.exe and hit enter, and this is going to clear all of the cache on our Windows Store. And if the Microsoft Store pops up like this, you can confirm that all that cache has been cleared, and then we can go ahead and try launching the Netflix app to see if that's now fixed the issue. Now, if you've tried everything and that's still not working, the very last thing that I'd recommend is heading over to your Start menu, searching for Settings, and then come over to Settings, come over to Apps from the left hand side here, inside of Installed Apps. And once again, we're going to go ahead and search for Netflix. And this time we want to select these three little dots to the right, and we're going to hit uninstall, and then just go ahead and uninstall the app from your computer. And this is going to completely remove Netflix from your PC. And you just need to come back over to the Microsoft Store, search for Netflix in the top here, and then we're going to reinstall the app just by clicking on it, and you can go ahead and press install. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that should have fixed any issues you're having with the Netflix app. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.